Hi! Welcome back to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we will explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we'll try a smarter and better technique to solve the problem without the use of a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve the problem and if we can get the answer in less than 10 seconds. Here's the problem. If 5a equals 7b and 3b equals 11c, find a, b, c. A, 5, 7, 3. B, 55, 77, 15. C, 15, 55, 77. D, 11, 7, 3. E, 77, 55, 15. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the standard method. If 5a equals 7b, therefore a over b equals 7/5 or 7 over 5. Similarly, if 3b equals 11c, therefore b over c equals 11 over 3. Therefore, a, b, c, 7, 5, 11, 3 equals 77, 55, and 15. And the answer is letter E. Using the boring method or standard method, estimated time to arrive at the answer is 30 seconds. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's face the question and see. Remember, our answer was option E. Let's see how Gemini solves the problem. Alright, it's trying to solve the problem now, and let's see if it can give us the correct answer, and it did. Letter E, 77, 55, and 15, and that was a lot quicker than the standard method. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option E. Let's see which AI gets the correct answer faster. Alright, it already has given us the answer. However, it gave us the wrong answer. According to Gemini, the correct answer is letter A, which both standard method and ChatGPT got the correct answer, which is letter E. Oh well. Sometimes some AI like Gemini can make mistakes, so it is important to double check if the calculation is correct and if the answer is accurate. So, what about the times you need to get the answer quicker than the standard method? You don't have an access to a calculator or an AI. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Since b is common in both the relationships, simply find the product of coefficients of a and c. Example, 5 times 11 equals 55, which will be the corresponding term for b. This eliminates all options other than c and e. If 3b equals 11c, it means that c is smaller than b. Hence, in A, B, C, if the corresponding figure for B is 55, C should be less than 55. This is true only for option E. Therefore, the answer is letter E. Through the process of elimination, the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 10 seconds. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.